a lot of new traders, beginner traders are looking to get started and to accelerate their trading curve. If they're starting an account with $5,000, let's say, what would be like the 3 tips you'll give to beginner traders?
So with $5,000, unfortunately, the pattern day trading rule prevents you from having multiple flips a week. And that's a huge issue because what happens is a lot of the times you only have 3 round trip trades. And so a lot of your mental thing is like, if I use those 3, I'm done for the week. So a lot of people overhold and they don't stop out their losses because they know that if they stop out that they don't have a chance to trade anymore. But think about it. That's a good thing for you too because you're limited. Make the 3 best trades. But you're also, if you're not disciplined, you do crazy things. Imagine you're going to go out 3 days a week, right? I mean, imagine you're going to go out like 1 day a week. And so like when you're young, your mom's like, you only go out 1 day a week and go to school. So that one day you go crazy. You go crazy and you do whatever you want, right?
Yeah.
But if you know you go out any day of the week, you don't have to go out.
Okay.
You go whenever you go out.
Yeah.
So trading with the pattern day trading makes you want to, I have 3 trades. I will force myself to trade those 3 trades. You see what I'm saying?
Okay.
And so it's good and bad where you have to be disciplined. But I'm telling you, $5,000 is enough to make money, but it's hard when you're stuck to 3 trades a week. Because what happens when you get out and you can't get back in?
Yeah.
And so my advice is that during that 5,000, you learn. You use that opportunity not to make money. You use those 3 trades to learn because you're always learning and you're saving your money to build up to an over pattern day trading account.
I see.
So my advice to the 5, trading, think of how many years it takes to be a doctor, like 12 years.
Yeah.
You want to be and traders can make more than doctors.
Yeah.
Right? And so think about it. How long did you go to college? 4 years. To make what? Your $50,000 a year, right? And so trading, you expect to be making $50,000 in your first week?
No.
So if you think about it, put yourself at least a year out. So during that year, use that 5,000 to make very small trades to learn. Not to make money. Don't think of yourself making money.
Okay.
If you make money, it's a bonus. Your goal is to use that as tuition to learn. If you break even, you're pretty good.
Okay.
The last thing you want to do is lose the 5,000.
Yeah.
The 5,000 is just an account where you can trade 100 shares and you feel the pain of just 100 shares or 50 shares or $10. Because what happens is like, I would not advise simulation trading for more than a few weeks or a month. Simulation trading helps you learn the system so you know where to click buy, where to click sell. That's it. But what happens, you get so used to fake money, you're gonna kill yourself because there's no motion. So a 5,000 is very good because it's gonna teach you, man, even losing $100, a lot of people, that's like a headache.
Yeah.
Imagine now you lose 1,000, 50,000, you're screwed. So it's very good that you start small. During that time, you learn and use small size to learn and feel and the strategy you should apply is, I don't think you should short right away.
Okay.
But you can, because what happens is shorting, try to go long first, because what happens is this. Go long, put a stop, because what happens when you short, you have to locate a stock. There's so many things that you need to do. And shorting may seem to be the easiest path, which in my opinion, if you know what you're doing, for a long time it was easier than going long. But now it's totally changed. Markets go up and down. But you need to understand the whole market. I started as a long because as a long, it's the most obvious thing to do, right? Because you're rooting for it to go up.
Yeah.
And so what happens is you don't understand why it goes up or down, but you want to go up. But it's simple. If you go down, but if it drops, you stop out and you're done. So get used to that first.
Okay.
Because knowing where to buy and sell is the same thing going long or short. It's just doing the reverse, right?
Yeah.
And so strategies, in my opinion, doesn't really matter. In my opinion, you have to follow someone and learn how to buy and sell. That's it. So that's the first step. Know the mechanics of buy and sell. Mm-hmm. The strategies will come when you know what you're doing and you know yourself, like your personality affects if you want to go long, swing, intraday short, doesn't matter what it is. You don't know. It's like if you go to school, first day of classes, that's why people pick a major. You really don't know what a major. A lot of people don't. I knew I wanted to be an engineer because I like math. But when I did, I hated it. See, I'm like, I don't want to fucking do this stuff. So I did everything I can to try not to be the engineer. And so when I graduated, the engineer made me money. So I used the money so I could do other things I want to do in life. That's why I got into stocks. But I needed money to do in stocks. So I kept my career until they kicked me out. So I was making a lot of money as an engineer.
Yeah.
But I needed that money to fund my education, guys. So get a job while you learn to trade. Because if you need money and you trade you're gambling and you're going to lose. So get a job. My advice, guys, with $5,000 is get a job, learn to trade with $5,000, small size, real trading though. I don't care what strategy you use. Seriously, lose. It doesn't freaking matter what the strategy is. Your job at that point is just to learn.
Yeah.
And save to get over PDT. If you're serious about trading, don't go out. Don't DoorDash. Eat ramen noodles at home. Go downgrade your life. Don't buy. That's how I did it.
Yeah.
Because when you're obsessed, like I was, I never went out for like 5-10 years, so that I could just focus on that. So I did it, and I think you can too. I think anybody can too. If you have the right expectation, you can too.
So you just watched a highlights reel. Make sure to learn from the full interview video over here. And if you enjoy these highlight clips, there are many more profitable lessons that you can learn for free from these experienced traders. Check this playlist right here.